Hi, I'm Mark DeBoer, Director of Finance here at Lethbridge School District No. 51. I'd like to personally invite you guys to come to our budget open house, which is tonight from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at 433 15th Street South. We'll have an open house, come and go as you wish. We'll have budget boards available for your review, which has a ton of detail on our budgets, so you can have a great understanding of how Lethbridge School District operates and how we do our budgeting cycle. We'll also have a lot of availability for feedback. We'll have iPads available, as well as ability to give feedback over your mobile devices and over our website over the next couple days. So please stop by the Education Center this evening to come see our budget and provide some excellent feedback for us for the future.